Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today is the second lesson of Unit 7. Today we're learning about volume of a rectangular prism. In the background, we have Rihanna umbrella. I know it's super old, a throwback, whichever day today is, okay? This was my jam back in like high school, I think. One of my favorite songs. Anyway, since I'm stuck at home anyway, so listening to those old songs make me real happy. Okay, so let's look at the first example. Now, in the worksheet that I attached to each assignment, there's always going to be a formula or a sample question on the paper, okay? So you can always refer back to it if you do not understand my video. Now, let's look at the first question. Now, this is a cube, right? So I'm going to write cube. Cube representing all sides are equal. So that means if this side is 5 inches, that means this is also 5 inches. And this is also 5 inches. Now, in order for me to find any volume of a prism, right? Any type of prism's volume is equal to base times height. Now, the reason why I write B as in capitalized because this is representing area of the base. Now, H is representing the height. Now, a lot of people get confused between the capitalized B and the lowercase b. In yesterday's lesson, or in the last lesson, we talked about area of a circle. Now, this is whatever the base is, whatever shape, you need to find out the area of the base. So let's look at our first example. I have a cube, right? What do you think? It's my base. Base, obviously, on the ground, right? On the bottom. So that means on the bottom, I have this shape. This is the base. Now, according to volume, it's area of the base multiplied by the height. Area of the base. This base right here, it's a square. So that means in order for me to find the area of a square is length times width multiplied by the height. Now, length is 5 times width is 5 multiplied by the height, which is 5. So we multiply by all of them. The answer should be 75. Yeah, never mind. I lied. It's 125. God, that was terrible. 125. Did they give us units? Yes, which is cubic inches. Okay, so that means 5 times 5 times 5 will get me 125 cubic inches. I think I was talking about 25 times 3. That's when it's equal to 75. Whatever. All right, so sorry, I was babbling. Now, remember, in order to find the volume, I need area of the base. A lot of people get confused between this. Okay, so that is a cube. All sides are equal, so we multiply all 3 dimensions. Now, let's look at the following problem. Now, this is no longer a cube because as you can see, that dimensions are different. So that means this is a rectangular prism. So I'm going to write it. Rectangle, right? Since this is a 3D shape. Rectangle is a 2D shape. Rectangular prism, it's a 3D. It's like a shipping box. Now, in order for me to find the volume, it's the same thing. Any prism is area of the base multiplied by the height. Now, let's look at my area of the base. The same thing, it's on the bottom, right? So that means I need to find the area of this and multiply by the height. Height, I'm going to label it in orange. Okay, so now area of the base representing 1 and 2 over 3 multiply by the 4 multiply by the 3/5. Now, some people panic seeing fractions and decimals, but it doesn't really matter, okay? So now, 1 and 2/3 could be rewritten as 5/3. Okay, so if you don't know how to input a fraction on your calculator, you should try it, okay? So alpha y equal. Did you guys all see that? Let me try again. Alpha is the green button right here. Y equal is the graph function. If you want, you could try to press the 2, okay? The second button. So it's 1, and we type in 2/3, right? Multiply by, what was the other number? 4. Multiply by, again, another fraction. So alpha y equal to, and then multiply by 3/5, and we press enter, and that would be 4. So that means it's 4 cubic inches because it's a 3D shape, 3 dimensions. Base, area of the base multiplied by the height will get us volume. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. Again, all assignments should be on Delta Math, so remember to try it. And if you want your song to be featured in the background, so let me know in the comment below. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.